Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a redoing my closet video, and in this video, it's going to have two parts within the video. So first, we're going to clean out some parts of my closet. I want to say right now that I'm not trying to brag in any way. I'm so thankful for everything that I do have, and please don't take this video the wrong way. What I'm doing is basically being aware that I don't wear some of the clothes in my closet, so I'm going to donate them and give them away to some of my friends as well, and then incorporate new clothes that I will wear into my wardrobe. So with that being said, this video is actually sponsored by Princess Polly, and I do have a code for you guys. I'll have it on the screen right here. We'll get into that in a little bit, but first things first, I think we have to clean out my closet so that I can put these beautiful new pieces Princess Polly sent me in my closet. Let's get into this video. Let's clean out my closet and let's incorporate these new pieces into my wardrobe from Princess Polly, because when I tell you, probably around 75% of my wardrobe is Princess Polly. It's crazy, and I'm so grateful for it because I am obsessed. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I have this clothing rack, I have these sweatshirts, and I have to clean this as well. A lot of these clothes are my work clothes, so things that I wear into the office. They're not really going out clothes, but some of them are. So I have these clothes, I have to clean up those clothes, have these clothes as well, and this clothing rack. So with all that being said, let's clean all this up, and then we will get into my new clothes from Princess Polly.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
Like I said in the beginning of the video, this video is sponsored by Princess Polly. I do have a code for you guys, and I'll tell you that in a little bit. But first I wanted to explain kind of what I'm doing. So I know I said in the beginning of the video that I am cleaning out my closet, and the point of the video is to try to get rid of the things that I don't wear and incorporate new clothes that I will wear. I am in love with Princess Polly. I would say about 75% of my closet is Princess Polly, especially when it comes to cozy wear and going out tops. I am obsessed, especially their dresses. A little bit about Princess Polly before going into what I actually got, because I promise you guys, you will love these pieces. Something I love about Princess Polly is they have free shipping within the United States. It comes between 3 and 6 days for all orders US base over $50. With that being said, Princess Polly also offers ShopPay and AfterPay to all US customers. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do have a code for you guys, and it is 20 Costa. If you use that at checkout, you will get 20% off your order. Again, be sure to go shop Princess Polly. Everything I show in this video will be linked down below, and thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. So with all that being said, let's get into everything I received, because I'm literally obsessed. So the first thing I got is this little blue sweatshirt. I'm obsessed with this material. This material is so soft and just like the perfect type of material, especially for me to wear when I'm just lounging out at home, working my corporate job, when I'm working from home, or even going out and just having fun. The really cool thing about this is that I feel like you can style it up or style it down. So again, this is what it looks like. I will have everything linked down below, but it is so cute. It has like a little tag right here, which is adorable, and I'm obsessed with it. It does come with shorts as well. I didn't get the shorts, but it would be so cute together. And something I would actually pair this with to style it up is this beautiful black silk skirt. Look at this skirt. First of all, that's adorable. This is a little skirt that has like little lace on the bottom here, if you guys can see, and I think wearing this with this is adorable, especially if you have some boots over it, because you have your skirt on the bottom, a sweatshirt over it, and then kind of some boots, which is styling it down but also styling up the sweatshirt, and trust me, it looks really good. So I really like this skirt. I want to get more into kind of like silk fashion in 2023, and I think this would be a really good piece to rebuild my wardrobe because I have nothing really that is silky in my wardrobe anymore other than like 2 things, and they're actually from Princess Polly, so I am definitely going to be wearing those with this skirt. Next, I got this really pretty shirt. So it looks like this, and I saw this and it just screamed spring to me. So it looks like this, and I really love the arms. I love this. I think it's so cute, and I think it adds so much style to an outfit. I especially love the little detail on this. It has little buttons, which I think is adorable, and I would honestly wear this with leather pants or a jean skirt or even like jeans, and it would look really cute. In this haul, I went kind of cozy and kind of comfy, but also kind of stylish. So the next thing I got is actually a sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is so comfortable. So it's this blue little Princess Polly sweatshirt. I love the colors. It reminds me of spring, and I'm so excited for spring. I think that it's such a nice material, and all the little designs on it are so cute. The blue and yellow just remind me of spring, and I am so excited. I also love that it's a hoodie, and when I tell you guys, this is the perfect hoodie. It's literally so soft, and I'm so excited to wear it. Going along with my little staying kind of in cozy haul, I have this little t-shirt right here. So this t-shirt says since 1965, and the back is really cute. It says this, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute, and I'm actually going on vacation soon in June, and I'm literally going to bring all of this stuff because I think it's adorable and I'm obsessed with it. I can't explain to you enough that the texture and the material of Princess Polly's clothes are so nice, and that's why I love it so much. Next thing's next, this sweater. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm wearing a blanket right now. It's so comfortable. It's kind of like that like flary arm kind of thing that I like, and I love it so much. I think it would look really cute with that skirt I have, because I think like wearing an oversized sweater like this with this little skirt is just so cute, and I really love it. I promise you guys, this material is so comfortable, so soft, not itchy at all, and you will love it. Next thing I got, it's this little dress. It looks like this, and it kind of wraps. It'll look better on, but I am obsessed with it. I don't know the material I would describe it as, but I love the color, and it does look really cute on, and I think wearing it with like high heels to a nice dinner would be amazing, or even like on the beach. Then I saw this t-shirt, and when I tell you I've been wanting this t-shirt for so long, I'm obsessed. So first of all, the color is amazing. It has an angel number on it. This is the back, and it says 777. And then the front has another angel number on it, and it says 777. I got it as like an oversized t-shirt because I really love oversized t-shirts and oversized sweatshirts. I just think they're so comfortable, so cozy, and I'm obsessed with them. So I got it, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is adorable. I wear it every single day. Literally, I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. It's not even funny. Like, I am obsessed. Then the next thing I got, and this is something that I've been eyeing on Princess Polly's website for so long. Look at this purse. It's adorable. Are you kidding? It's like a cute little backpack. I am obsessed. I am going to wear it everywhere. I love it so much. So all that being said, that's everything I got from Princess Polly. Be sure to go check out everything I linked down below and use my code 20COSTA for 20% off your order. Thank you again to Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. And now let's get these clothes into my closet. Finished cleaning out my closet. There's obviously a lot of clothes that were gone. This was all filled in. That was all filled in over there. There was a lot more like clothes over here. So I think I did pretty good. And then I organized my little shoes on the bottom here to make them look all neat. I also took out some sweatshirts that I had and some dresses that just don't fit anymore. And then same thing over here with some going out tops. And then I cleaned out my clothing rack and put those clothes that were over there over into these little areas over here. A lot of these are work clothes that I have to wear to my job, and I work in a corporate accounting firm, so I have to look like very professional. That's why I have a lot of different clothes. I have going out tops, and then I'll have sweatshirts and loungewear, and most of that is actually up here. And then I'll have my work clothes, which is basically most of my closet, and then my blazers and stuff like that for my job. I'm going to put all my clothes up on my clothing rack now. I love putting everything new that I get up on my clothing rack because I look here first when I pick out an outfit that I want to wear. So I have my clothes right here that I'm going to hang up on my clothing rack. Like I said, the main point of this video was to get rid of the clothes that I don't wear anymore and that I won't wear so that I can donate them and give some of them to my friends, and then use the new clothes that Princess Polly gave me and put them up on my clothing rack so that everything is very organized. Finished redoing my wardrobe. I think the clothing rack looks so nice and I'm so excited to wear all these pieces. Remember to go check out Princess Polly. I'll have everything linked down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I really wanted to incorporate a haul in a vlog kind of video just because I feel like they're cool to watch and it's cool to see the progress of me, you know, like cleaning out my closet and then transitioning into my new season clothes and everything like that. Remember to use my code at checkout for 20% off your order. It's just 20 Costa. I'll have it on the screen right here. Thank you guys again for watching. Let me know if you liked this type of video and if you would like to see more hauls incorporated into vlogs in the future. But with all that being said, thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.